Yeah, hey, Forex, Nasdaq, billionaires. Money falling on my head like a rain. I'm coming on your face, are you ready? My hands making money, God bless.
Caleb speaking, Prof himself. So today's lessons I'll be teaching you about structure, right? Because you need to understand structure before you understand order blocks and everything like that. So today's video, I'm going to be teaching you structure. So please pay attention in this episode. So we've got three types of market movements. We've got an uptrend, we've got a downtrend, then we've got a ranging market. So I'm just going to draw and show you how an uptrend looks like. An uptrend looks like this. An uptrend looks like this. So when price is in the uptrend, it looks like this. This is what we call an uptrend. This is what we call an uptrend. An uptrend, it means that price is going up, an uptrend like this. Then we've got what is known now as a downtrend. A downtrend, it means that price is going down. It is in the downtrend, price is going down. This is what is known as a downtrend like this. This is what is known as a downtrend. Price is in the downtrend like this. Then after that, now we've got what is known as a ranging market, right? And this is what is known as a ranging market. This is a ranging market. Price is ranging. I'm just going to explain when I'm just done drawing the ranging market. So this is what is known as a ranging market like this. So now we've got three types of market movements right here. We've got an uptrend, we've got a downtrend, then we've got a ranging market. So when price is in the uptrend, the people that are controlling this type of a market, they are known buyers. Buyers are the ones that are controlling this uptrend. Then downtrends, the people that are controlling the downtrend, they are sellers. Then the ranging market, both parties are in control of it, or in some other ways, no one is in control because price is ranging. But when we are trading, you need to trade only two types of market structure, an uptrend or the downtrend, because money is made in an uptrend or in a downtrend. For example, in a ranging market, if you buy from here, point A to point B, you can see that the move here is short. But if you buy from here in an uptrend, then you exit your trades from here, you can see that the move is what? The move is big. So when we are trading, you can only trade uptrend or downtrend. So now I'm going to teach you now when you need to enter a trade in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So now you know that the people that are responsible for the uptrend, they are buyers, and the people that are responsible for the downtrend, they are sellers. So now knowing only people that are responsible for this particular markets, it's not enough. You need now to know how to trade in the uptrend or in a downtrend, and this is what I'm going to show you just now. So just hold on with me and enjoy. So now this is what we do in an uptrend. Price, when it's going up like this, when it reaches somewhere here, right? When it comes down somewhere like this, you are no longer now, you are not in any trend, right? You want to see what when price is like this, you are going to draw what is known like a level here. When you draw a level like that here, price is going to do what? Price is going to go up like that. When it goes up, when it breaks this level, it's a confirmation that now we're in a what? We're in an uptrend. Then after that, price is going to do a drop. When it does a drop, it's going to come on top of this structure. When it comes on top of this structure right here, this is when you are going to do what? You are going to place your assist, your buy. When you press your buy again, price is going to go up. When it's going up like this, when it reaches here, you are going to ask yourself, where did price post from? It was here. Then after that, you are going to draw another zone or another structure that side, then price is going to do a drop. When it does a drop, it's going to come exactly here. When it comes here, you are going to do what? You are going to place a buy. Then price is going to go up again. When it goes up again, price, you are going to ask yourself, where was my last stop, or where did price make a 10? The previous one, it was here. Then after that, you are going to wait. The same thing that I'm teaching you, you are going to wait for price to do what? For price to come down here. When it comes down here again, price is going to do what? Price is going to go up like this, right? So you are in the uptrend, you are trading, you have been placing a buy from here, and you placed a buy from here and pressed a buy from here. But now you cannot just be trading and trading. You need to identify when the trend is going to end, right? So what you are going to do now, we are going to draw another what? Another structure. Where? Here. When you draw another structure here, you are going to find out something, that here you are going to now to wait for price to do what? To come on top here. But if price does not hold, or if this one decides to break, if this one decides to break, then after that, price is going to come here. After coming here like this, price is going to come here. When it comes here, you are going to do what? You are going to start selling here. After start selling here, price is going to come down like that. When it comes down like that, price is going to go here. When it comes here again, we have changed the oasis, we have changed the trend. After changing the trend, now we are going to draw here. So here you can see that we broke this structure. We started selling from here. You can sell from here. Once when your previous low is broken, you are going to draw a level. When price goes back to your previous oasis low, you are going to do what? You are going to sell. Then after that again, price is going to do what? Price is going to come down. When price comes down like this, after price comes down like this, you are going to ask yourself, where was your previous low? Your previous low was where? Was here. You are going to draw another structure. After drawing another structure again like this, price is going to go up, hitting your previous low here, then it's going to come down again. When it comes down, it's going to go again in a previous low here again. Then price is going to do what? Is going to come down again like this. So here again, there was structure. Where? There was structure here. So you can see that here now you have got two types of market movements. So here you are buying here and here and here. Then price broke, right? After breaking, price, it left what is known as a head and shoulder. So once when you see a head and shoulder, it's a sign that price has done what? Price has ended the what? The trend. Then after that, price you decides to break. When it breaks here, you are going to sell. You are going to sell exactly here on your previous oasis low. So this is what happens in the oasis, in the uptrend or in a downtrend. So again, I'm just going to put it all together just now so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to put it like this. I'm going to put the level here. I'm just going to put another level here. I'll put another level here, just here. Then I'll put another level here. After putting another level here, I'm going to put another level just here. I'll put another level here. I'll put another level here. Then I'll add another level here, because I'm just trying to put it so that you can see how the market operates like. So we are having these levels here. So now you can see that, for example, when price started from here, for example, we started from here, price was in the uptrend like this, right? Price was in the uptrend. You can see where it was making tens like this. So you are in the uptrend like this. Then price decided to come down here and broke this structure. Then we ended up having a what? A head and shoulder. Then after making a head and shoulder, price is going to come here because we're on structure here. It's going to come here, then hit this part, then come down again, It's going to hit this part. You can see why it's hitting just on the other corners, just hit this part again. Then when it comes here again, right, it's going to make a what's this? A head and shoulder again. So the trend has ended again. This is what we do in what? In structure like this. Then price is going to come here. Price is going to come here again. So this is what we do in the what's this? In structure. You can see. So this is what is known as what's this? As structure. So in the next episode now, I'm going to show you on a live chart how to do it. Well, we're going to do a practical. This was just theory. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you now on the market so that you can see how to operate it in the market. I can assure you, before you are done with this course, you are going to see the market in a different structure. Congratulations in advance. I love you so much, guys.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
Now, the theory, how to know when the trend has ended so that you don't get what? Caught up. So as you can see, all this while we were on what's this? We were in the uptrend. We were in the uptrend. Like what I was teaching you, you can see that here price broke this structure. It came for a buy again. Price broke another structure here. There was structure here again. Price came back again. Price broke another structure here. It went for a what? It went for a buy. Price broke another structure where? Here. So now you can see that you have been in buying opportunities. Structure has been in the uptrend. But now you need now to identify the end of a trend. So what I was saying is, for example, you need, for example, once when you draw something like this, right? When you draw something like this, once when you draw something like that, you can see that this level has what? This level has been broken, right? If this level has been broken, we are predicting that price is going to come here, hit on this level, then you continue with the what? With a buy. That's what we are predicting here, right? But if this level decide not to hold, if this level does not hold, if something like this happen, let's assume if it's trying to hold, right? Then boom. If something like this one now happens, we now know that we are no longer in a what? We are no longer in an uptrend because structure has been broken. So what we are going to do is that price is going to leave what is known as a head and shoulder. This one will be a shoulder. Then this one will be your head here. Right? This one will be your head so that you don't get caught up. This one will be your head here. So what are we waiting for here? We are waiting for another shoulder to do what? To complete right here. Right here, as you can see. So what we are going to wait for right now is for price to do what? To go in this shoulder. When it goes in this shoulder, then it does what? It falls like this. So now in this situation, what you are going to do here is that you can only press a selling opportunity once when it comes on this particular angle, because it's a head and shoulder, because the uptrend now has done what? The uptrend has ended. So as you can see, we are going to go what is known as short. Short means selling, right? We are going to go in like this. This is our pips that we are trying to predict at this particular market here. Then you are going to put your stop loss behind what? Behind the structure. This is why you're going to put your stop loss like this. Then after that, now we are going to wait for price to do what? To come back on this level. Then you are going to see what is going to happen is that you wait for price to come back on that particular level, that side. So price has broken. So when it's like this, you don't do anything. You wait for it to go back to the left shoulder, which is this one. Then you are going to see now price is going to go back to that level. Once when it hits it like that, you can start selling now because the trend has ended. You can start selling right here. Then you can see how it's going to melt like water now. So you can see now it has sold because of what? Because price changed the structure. Okay, the structure of the market changed and it broke this level. So anytime when you want to get a nice move, when price has changed the structure, you need to look for this thing that is called head and shoulder or A formation. So in the next episode, again, I'm going to show you now how to find the head and shoulder, or to identify the change of structure in a what? In a downtrend. I love you so much. Please be with me in the next episode.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
Head and shoulder, so that you can catch a move in an uptrend, or how we can tell that price has changed its direction. So as you can see, we have been quite in a downtrend for quite some time. So what you need to do here, so for example, if you can see what I was teaching you in that theory, price was just trending down. As you can see, price came here, broke structure, tested, it came here, reached here, it retested, we are going down. Even here it was it did a retest here. What I was showing you, could have taken a sell right here. But now you need now to know when price is going to do what? Is going to change the downtrend. So as you can see here, you need to identify this low. You are going to draw it like this. After drawing it like this, because we have been in the uptrend, so now you are predicting that price is going to come here, hit this part, then it does what? It goes down. That's what we are predicting in this particular market, right? So if price decides to move up like that, then if it breaks, when it breaks like this, the trend has now assist, the trend has now ended. You are no longer looking for sales. You are going to start looking for what? For buying opportunities. So you can see price has done what is known as a head and shoulder. There is a head here, price left a head. We are going to have another shoulder, which is this one. Then price again needs now to complete this shoulder. So now what you need to do here as a trader, you need to wait for price to come in this area, so that we can have a complete head and shoulder, so that you can do what? You can buy. So here in this situation, what you need to do here is that when you are trading like this, now you need now to measure. We are going to go here for long. The stop loss is going to be where? Here above, like this, right? So like this. So when you are trading here like this, your analysis when it's like that, so the advice that I can give you also, just to touch quickly on the stop loss, is that when you do your analysis like that, you can just put in this line just above here. Don't put your actual stop loss on your chart. Just put a stop loss like this. This stop loss symbolizes this line symbolizes your stop loss, because what you are avoiding sometimes is that you are going to encounter such things in forex. Sometimes price can just come, hit your stop loss, then it buys again. So you need to just put a line like this. If a candle closes here below this line, you know that your stop loss has been hit. Okay, then after that, we're only going to place our buy straight here in structure. Okay, then after that, you are going to see now price is going to start coming down that side. That's what we're going to wait for in this structure here. As you can see, price is coming down. You need now to do what? To wait. So when it comes that side, you can start placing your buys just right there on structure. As you can see what I was telling you here, then price is going to go up. So when price is going up like this, right, you need to ask yourself, where is your previous structure now? Your previous structure was where? Was here. As you can see, you could have entered the trade right here on your previous structure here. You could have placed a trade right here. Then after that, then now price do what? Then price is going now to go up like this. So you have been holding, you entered trades based on what? Based on structure. So as you can see, even here you had another structure here. As you can see, you had another entry that you could have entered a trade based on this structure after this retest right here. So you could have entered a trade here, and you could have entered a trade here, and you could have entered a trade here. That's how we do what? That's how we trade in structure. So in the AP, in another video, now we'll be going deeper. So I wanted now to show you how to operate in structure. So now I'm glad that you now know when to place a trade in an uptrend or in a downtrend, and I now know that you now know when to tell when structure has ended. So this is how we do what? This is how we trade in structure. So please wait for more episodes. They are coming. I can assure you again, before you are done with this course, trust me, your trading career will be on another level. I love you so much, guys, and I want you to understand something. Put in work in these videos. The more you watch these videos, the more your trading career is going to go to another level, because this skill is not everywhere. I love you so much. See you in another episode. Shalom.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I be dropping the roof.
Our main strategy: understanding order blocks and institutes, how they operate, and how you can enter sniper entries. So before we go to a practical, we're going to do a theory, just a quick explanation so that you might understand. So right now, price does what is known as a rally. Price does what is known as a rally. When it does what is known as a rally like this, right? So I'm going to explain about buying first before I explain about sells. So number one, price does what is known as a rally. Rally means price going up like this. So the first step that you want to do, you want to ask yourself, where did price started from going up? Price started going up from here. This was the starting point of the rally. So what you are going to do here, you are going to draw what is known as your area of value, or draw your order block that side. Then what price is going to do is that price is going to do what is known as a drop. When price does what is known as a drop, when it reaches somewhere here, you are going to place your buy right here. Then price goes up in this direction like this, right? So like what I'm explaining first, price does a rally. When it does a rally, you need to identify now the starting point of the move going up. It was here. Then price did what is known as a drop. Then it came to the order block. Then you are going to buy right here. Then price went up. So this example is example A, right? It is an example A for a buying opportunity. Example A, example number one. Example A number one. I'm going to teach example number two for a buy. What happens again? Like I said, price does, like I said, price does what is known as a rally going up. When it does what is known as a rally going up like this, you are going to ask yourself, where did price started from going up? Price started going up from here. So what you are going to do, you are going to come here, then you are going to draw your order block right here. When you draw your order block right here, at times price, when it's doing a drop, because I said that you need to wait for price to do what? To come back here. But at times price, it does not come back. Sometimes it might only reach here. When it reaches here, it goes back again. So when it does something like this, what you need to do, you need to identify now another order block, which will be the second move like this. So this one is going to be also your what? Your order block like this. When this one is going to be your order block like this, then what happens is that price, it will come straight here. Price always comes here again. It's going to come straight here. When it comes here, you are going to buy it exactly here. Then price is going to do what? Then price is going to go up, right? Like this. So you can see that we have example number 1, then we have example number 2. I've got A example, then we've got a B example here. We've got an A example and we've got a B example like this, right? So now I'm going to teach you now what you need to identify now so that you might understand where you need to put your entry point. Okay, so again, I'm just going to rub it here, then again we're going to go deeper a little bit. Okay, so now what happens here is that price does what is known as a rally, like what I said from the start. Price does what is known as a rally like this. When it does what is known as a rally, price leaves 2 candlesticks that are known as a what? As ER candlestick. It leaves a red candle here. This candle, it is known as a ER candlestick. It leaves, you can check it on your chart. Before it does a rally, I'll show you what we'll be doing practical. It leaves a red candle like this. Then it always leaves a green candle like this. It will leave a green candle like this. It will always leave a green candle like this. Just want to show you real quick. Okay, so price always does something like this. Okay, price always does something like this when it does a rally going up like this. Then what you need to do now in this situation is that you are going to need to draw what? You are going to need to draw now your order block. Okay, so now what you are going to do now, you are going to draw your OB based on what? Based on here. So you are going to come here, draw your order block like this from the starting here, then from the opening candle like this, right? So now here I want you to pay attention right now as I'm beginning to expagorate, to explain. So you are going to find out something, that the secret of the entry right now, it is not on here. The secret of the entry, it is on these 2 candles, which are known the ER candlesticks. So when price now is doing a drop here, when price is doing a drop, price always comes here straight to hit where the opening candle is here. When it hits on the opening candle here, then price does what? Then price goes up like this. So what you need to focus more is this part that I'm trying to expagorate to you guys. This part, you need to focus more on this part. Okay, then you are going to put your buy limit on the opening of the candle of the bearish, which means the red one. So anytime when you're drawing your order blocks, you need to identify this red candle. Focus more on the red candle. Then on the opening, that's why you're going to put your what? Your buy limit. Then when price comes, it's going to hit here straight here. Then price is going to do what? Price is going to go up. Then you're only going to put your SL just behind here where I'm putting it. Example number 1. Okay, so example number 2 again. Example number 2, like I said, okay, price now is going to do what is known as a rally, right? When it does what is known as a rally here, when it does what is known as a rally here, okay, when it does what is known as a rally, when it does what is known as a rally here, you are going to identify your ER candlesticks here again. These are your ER candlesticks that you are going to need to do what? To identify right here. This ER candlestick is going to be the red one. Then you are going to have another one, the what? The green one again here. You are going to have the green one here. This is going to be the green one here. Then you are going to do the same thing that I was telling you about just here. Then here you need now to identify also the what? The ER candlesticks. Then you are going to draw your order blocks like this. Once when you draw your order block like this, now after drawing your order block like this here, just a minute, when you draw your order block like that here, okay, at times, also like what I was telling you, at times price is not going to do what? To reach this order block. Sometimes it's going to come here. When it comes here like this, is going to do what? It's going to turn. Then price is going to do what? Price is going to go up. When it goes up again, you want to use the same thing, the same method that is going to do what? That you did. You are going to need to identify the what? The ER candlesticks again. So anytime when a move is going up, it always leaves what? ER candlesticks here like this, okay? Then there's always a green one here. There's always a green one like this. There's always a green one like this. Then after that, you are also now here going to do what? You are going to draw your OB. You are going to draw your OB or your order block again here. Okay, when you draw your order block like this again here, like in this scenario here, just a minute. Yeah, exactly like this. After drawing it here, now you are going to see that price will come back where? Will come back here. Then you are going to do what? You are going to buy straight on the opening of the what? Of the red candle. But if price does not hold, price will come here on the last one, then this one is going to do what? Is going to hold, then price will continue doing what? Going up again. So this is how we handle order blocks on Oasis on a buy every time when you're looking on the buy. The secret part for the sniper entry, we need to identify this part. This part is the part that you need to identify. This is a crucial part that you need to identify. I'm going to show you how when we're doing some practicals. So you need to identify this part, and you need to put your buy limit always on the opening here, not here. Opening. So this is what we do. So I'm going to show you now how we find order blocks in a what? In a selling position. Just hold on and let me take you for a ride. Enjoy this ride.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
In this video, I'm going to show you how we identify order blocks anytime when we're looking for a sell, right? Remember, I'm just from explaining to you how you identify order blocks in a buy. So I'm going to help you to how we can identify order blocks in a sell, right? So now, in a sell, price does what is known as a drop. To just put it simple, price does what is known as a drop. Okay, so every time when price does what is known as a drop like this, you are going to ask yourself, where did price started from doing a drop? Price started from here. So you are going to come here and you are going to draw your order block right here on the starting point of the move going down. Then after that, what you're going to wait for, you're going to wait for price to do what? To go up. Once when price goes up, when it hits here straight, you are going to do what? You are going to sell right here exactly. Then price is going to do what? Price is going to fall. Okay? Exactly. So you're only going to sell when price reaches in this spot here. When price reaches in this spot, this is a part where you're going to do what? You are going to sell. Okay, then after that, you're going to put your SL just here behind this order block. That's why you're going to put your SL like this. So this is example number 1. I'm going to show you example number 2 right here again. So price does what is known as a drop. When it does what is known as a drop like this again, you need to identify the same thing which is known. Where was the first starting move? Here, it was here. Then you are going to draw what is known as your OB right here. You are going to draw what is known as your OB right here. Then after that is that price it will go up like this. When it goes up, sometimes also here, like an example that I gave you on a buy, sometimes it does not reach here. It will come and maybe 10 somewhere here, then it will do what? It might fall again. When it falls again like this, we need now to identify the what? The second source of the drop. The second source of the drop was what? Was here. Then price did what? Then price did a drop. Then here what we are going to do is that we are going to wait for price to do what? To go up here. When it reaches here, you are going to do what? You are going to sell again here. But at times, if price does not hold, if it decides to break, then you can sell it right here. Then price is going to do what? Then price is going to do what? It's going to sell. But mostly, always price has to sell on this what? On this order block here. Okay, so now also here you need to put your SL just here on top. Okay, so now I'm going to show you now. Also, I'm going to go deeper now how we can put everything in WASIS in place. Okay, so now in this example now, what we are going to do is that remember on a buy, we said that we need to identify the red candle. There's always a red candle that we need to identify. Then there's always a green candle. There's always a red like this, just so that you might understand. I don't want you to find it hard here. Okay, then after that now you are going to so this is for a buy. Then after this is for a buy like this. Then for a sell here, this is what happens. For a sell, it's an opposite. There's a green candle like this. Okay, there's a green candle. Then there is a red candle like this. There is a red candle like this here. Okay, there's a red candle like this for a sell. So what you are going to do here is that you are going to draw your order block right here straight for a sell. You can see, I don't want you to mix the two here, please. I don't want you to mix the two. You can see that on a buy, the red candle is this side. On a sell, the green candle is this side. So on a sell, you are going to focus on a green candle, not a red candle. Then price does what is known as a drop. When it does what is known as a drop, it will go always and hit the opening part of the what? Of the green candle. Where the green candle open from, that's why price is going to hit. Then price is going to do what? Is going to sell like this again. Okay, example number 1. Then example number 2. Example number 2, price here, like what I told you. Let me just draw them so that you might understand. Just want to draw them so that you just understand real quick. Just want to draw them like this. There we go. Okay, so here again, price does what is known as a drop, right? When it does what is known as a drop, example number 2, you are going to need to draw this part. This is your OB like this, right? When you draw your OB like this, then price, we're expecting that price is going to go up, hit this part, right? But if price does not hit this part, if it reaches somewhere here and it turns like this, right? If it turns like this, what we're going to do now here, we're going to have this one like this. Then here, there's always a bearish candle. A bearish candle means a red candle. Sellers, a seller one. Then after that, we're going to have another OB here, second OB here. Then what we are waiting for now here is that we are going to wait for price to do what? To shoot up. Price is going to go up. Once when it reaches here, we are going to sell straight. If price does not sell here, if it decides to break, you are going to sell here. But always it has to sell here. Then it does what? Then it goes up like this. So this is how you identify selling order blocks. So now I'm just going to put them, all of them, so that you can now understand. Okay, so I'm just going to put them, all of them, so that you might understand real quick what I'm talking about. Okay, so that you can see the difference. I just want you to see the difference now, so that you can see the difference real quick. I'm just going to put them so that you might see the difference real quick here. You just need to pay attention and put this skill into practice. If you can see that it's the same skill that has really made me millions for 8 years now in trading. Okay, then price to always come here. When it always come here, then this one is a red one here. We're going to have the green one here. Okay. Just trying to show you real quick. Then here what happens, like what I said, is that price is going to come here. Then here it's going to hit straight. Then price is going to go up like this. Okay. Then here, these are both for buys, so I don't want you to get confused saying which one. So I'm trying to put them all together so that you might understand. Okay, this is really good. I'm loving this, because I know after this you are going to murder this thing. You're going to murder this thing. Okay, then here we're going to have another one here like this. The same thing, the same concept. Price to hit here, then go up like this, right? Like this. Then here again, you need now also to identify the ER candlestick for a buy. For a buy, it was here like this. I love trading like this. I enjoy it. Trust me, I enjoy it. I'm also going to teach you about risk management so that you can see what I'm talking about. I love trading like this. I'm sure you can see that my entries, they are so crazy. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Okay, then here is that price will come here now, hit this part, then it does what? Then it goes up again. Okay, your SL here, remember your SL, don't forget about your SL. I said your SL is going to be here. Another one is going to be where? Here. Your SL is always behind. The same thing, that's why we are going to put your SL. Then on a sell, there's always a green candle here. Please don't change them. This is what I wanted to explain here. This is what I wanted to explain. A green candle here. Then there's a red candle here. There's a red candle here. There's a red candle here like this. Then here you're going to draw your OB like this, because here now You are looking for what? You are looking for selling opportunities. We are looking for selling opportunities alone here now. So what is going to happen here is that price does what is known as a drop. When it does what is known as a drop, it will come and hit your OB. Then it's going to do what? It's going to sell here. Exactly. So you're going to put your sell limit right on the opening of this candle, right here on this opening. Let me just point it with the arrow for you guys. Let me just point it with the arrow. This part, this is where you're going to put your sell limit right here. Okay, example number 1 for a sell. Then example number 2 for a sell. Again, we're going to have the OBs, the ER candlestick. It has to be green like this. Then we're going to have the red one like this. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to have the red one like this. Okay, then in this situation now, you're going to draw your OB like this. When you draw your OB like this, the same concept, okay, the same concept that I just taught you here. Price is going to come here. Then if it does not reach here, if it decides to come here, then falls again here like this. What you're going to do, you're going to draw your OB right here like this. Okay, right here like this. Like this. Like this. There we go. Then we are going to draw your OB here again like this. Okay, then when price now comes here, is going to hit this part. When it hits this part, it's going to do what? It's going to sell. So this is how we draw order blocks or identify what? Order blocks, both for a buy and for a sell. So in the next episode now, we're going to do practical. This was just theory. We're going to go deeper on the chart in practical now. So just hang with me. Let's do this thing, guys.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
Guys, we are going to do practical on a buy setup. Okay, so this is what we do in a buy setup. Remember, I said that price does what is known as a rally going up. So what you need to do now, you need to identify the starting point of the move going up. It was this part. Only identifying this part alone is not enough. You need to identify the ER candlesticks. So the ER candlesticks, they were here, these two. Remember what I said in a theory, they were here. So what we are going to do, we are going to come here. We are going to draw what is known as a order block like this. Okay, we are going to draw what is known as a order block like this. When we draw what is known as an order block like this, our focus now is going to be where? Is going to be right here on this ER candlestick. This is what the secret of the entry where is here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that we are going to get our buy limit. We are going to put it straight on the opening here. As you can see, let me just try to zoom in. You can see where our buy is here. Then after that, when we put it like this now, we are going to get a, we need now to, I'm just want to show you something here. Okay, great. We are going to have this order right here. We are just going to put our TP somewhere right there. Okay, then for example, we are looking to make about how many pips here? That's about 364 pips. That's a lot of money. So you are going to see what is going to happen right here. So what we are predicting here now is that we are predicting that price is going to come here, hit this part, then it does what? Then it goes up. That's what we are predicting right here. Okay, so let us see now how it goes. Then we're going to wait. No matter what, you need to wait as a trader, and you need to have patience until price hits your order block. No matter what, you trade a setup, so just don't trade for the sake of trading. You need to wait. You need to wait. No matter what, you need to wait for this order to be activated. You need to wait for this order to be activated. Okay, order activated. You can see that the order now is activated. Okay, the order is activated. The order is activated. TP is hit. Okay, this is what happened. So you can see now that TP has been hit. This is how we identify what's this order blocks on a what? On a buy setup. This is how the market operates like. So for example, this is Nasdaq. I'm just going to take you to gold so that you can see how any market that you can put, that's how it operates like. I'm just going to put quick gold here. If there was a nice buying opportunity right here on gold, for example, right here, this is on gold right here. Okay, this one was on gold. For example, price did what is known as a rally going up. Okay, price did the ER candlesticks, they were here. Okay, then what we are going to do here is that you are going to come here, then we are going to draw our what? Our OB like this. When we draw our OB like this here, we are going to take a buy limit. We are going to put it straight on this opening of the red candle, guys. Then after that, what we are going to do now here is that we are going to go in long. We are going to go in long right here. We're going to go in long right here. You can see that price, we're going to go in long right here with gold. Okay, that was Nasdaq. This is now gold. So I just want to show you what is going to happen at this particular trade. Price, no matter what, has to hit. That was Nasdaq, this was gold. I just want to give you how the secret. So the sniper entry is here, right here. Then you are going to see that price is going to come here. It has to hit no matter what. It has to hit no matter what. It has to go up. Order collected. Order collected. Then after that, price has to go up now. Order has been collected. TP hit. So this is how we identify what? Identify order blocks. Then on a SL, remember what I talked about. When you are trading order blocks, what you need to do anytime on your analysis, just put, let's say, your invisible stop loss. Just put an horizontal line. That horizontal line symbolizes your stop loss, okay? So that when you are trading, sometimes the market can come here like what happened, hit your stop loss and going up. So you want just to put a stop loss. If two candles or one candle closes down this line, that's when you can just close your trade, that your SL is what is hit. But as long as it's like this, that's what happens. So hold on, I'm going to show you now how we do everything in a what? In a sell setup, guys.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
So now in this video, I'm going to show you how we identify a sell. As you can see, price did what is known as a drop here. We are going to identify the starting point of the drop. The starting point of the drop was where? Was here. Okay, we are going to come here, then we are going to draw our OB right here. When we draw our OB right here on a sell here, what we need to do now, we need to wait for price to do what? To come here, then go down like that. Okay, then we're going to go in for what? For a short like this here. Okay, then something like this. We're talking about, let's put it on 300 pips. 300 pips is a lot of money on these indices, okay? Then here now, what we are predicting here is that we are predicting that price is going to go up, hit this line only, then it goes up, because the opening part of this bullish candle is where is here, okay? That's what we are predicting for at this particular trade. So let us see how it played out. You need to wait when price is like this. No matter what, you need to wait. As you can see, TP was hit just like that. That's how we identify selling order blocks on a what? On a sell. Let us do another example right quick before we end this session. We're going to go to German 30. That was Nasdaq. We're going to go to German 30. Just a quick one right here so that you can see another example here. Let me just get another example on a sell order block right here again. I just want to find a nice hot one again here. Okay, so in this example now, what we're going to do here, okay, just want to get a nice one. So in this example, we're going to get this one. For example, we're going to get this one. Let's assume price did a drop like this, right? When it does a drop, now when you're in this situation, right, when you're in this situation, you need to draw your order blocks just on the week like this, because in this week, if you go on smaller time frame, there are what? There are candles. If you go in a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, you're going to find out something that there's a candle right here. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm talking about here. Okay, so I'm just going to do it like this. You can draw order blocks on any time frame. So here you can see that it was here. We're going to draw it right here. Okay, then after drawing it right here is that we're going to get our sell limit here. After putting our sell limit right here, then you're going to get this part. We're going to go in short. Okay, we're going to go in short like this. Okay, after going in short again like this, this is what is going to happen here. We're still going in short, so you need to wait. So you can see the trade was activated straight on the what? On the opening here. This is how we find these entries, guys, the sniper entries. Then we're going to wait for TP to be what? For TP to be hit. TP has to be hit. TP has been hit. So you can see as perfect as that. That's how we do it. Okay, guys. So now this is how we find order blocks in a sell opportunity every time when you're looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so now in the next video, I'm going to be showing you where we need to know. How can I know how long I should hold, or how can I know where price is going to turn from? So in the next video, I'm going to show you that. So this is the main strategy. That's how we do it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how long can we know that price is going to do what, where it's going to reach. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next episode.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.
In this video, I'm going to show you how long you need to know, or when to take your profit, or how long you need to hold. So as you can see, price did what is known as a rally. After price did what is known as a rally, you need now to identify the ER candlesticks, which is here. Then you are going to draw the ER candlesticks, which is here. you draw your order block, the ER candlesticks, they are inside here. Then after that, now you are going to wait for price to do what? To come here straight. Okay, you are going to wait for price to come here straight. When price is coming here straight, when price is coming here straight like this, you need now to wait for it to do what? To come here until it reaches here. Okay, your trade now is not yet hit. Okay, your trade is now not yet hit. Your trade is now not yet hit. Okay, you wait for price to hit your order block, right, like that. So we're going to wait for it to hit here. So when it's hit like this, right, when it is hit like this, once when you're in profit, what you are going to do, you are going to get an indicator that is known as fib, right? You are going to put it here like this. You are going to put the 0 here, the 0 where the 0 is here. You are going to put the 0 on the starting move. Then you're going to put the 100 where price was. So what happens here is that you always need to hold a trade until you reach somewhere where there's 161, because price will have to go to 161. It will break on the 100 like this until, so your TP is going to be where? Here like this. Okay, so if your TP is going to be here like this, you are going to use your fib until we reach somewhere there. So let's see how it's going to be. Then when it's going like this, you just need to hold the trade because price always has to reach that level. Then when price is moving like this, now you can also look for structure where you can add your profit in that, where you can add a trade in structure. Remember, I was teaching you about what? About structure as well. So when it does something like this on 100, when it does on 100 like this, what you are going to do is that you are going to draw another structure here. When you draw another structure on 100 here, right? When you draw another structure on 100 here like this, after drawing another structure on 100 here, it's going to do what? It's going to come here. It's going to break the 100. When it breaks the 100, it always comes here. So you can do what? You can add another trade here. After adding another trade on structure here, then price is going to do what? Then price is going to go what? To 161. So as you can see, we are the trade right here. We are the trade right here. A buy one for that matter. We are the trade a buy one here. Then again, we're going to enter another trade where straight in this 100 right here. Then we're going to hold like that. Then you're going to see how it's going to play, because price always has to reach to 161. Then we are going to enter a trade on structure, a buy here. Okay, so you can see it breaks. After breaking, you hit your TP here. Your TP1 is hit. Then you can add another buy here. Mostly it has to come back here, retest one, then it goes up again like this. Okay, then it has to go up like that. So you can see here, it ended up holding that side like what we predicted. Then now price goes up again like this. It goes up like that. So as you can see, we added our second trade here on top of what? On top of this structure. So this is how we identify profits in the what? In a uptrend. Once when a trade is here, we're going to put a fib until we reach to 168 to 161. When we come to 161, it's going to come back to the 100. We're going to re-enter, then price goes up like this. So now let me show you how we can hold or know when to take profit in what? In a downtrend.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I be dropping the roof. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I be dropping the roof.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a sell, right? Or when can we know if we're selling, when to come out. So as you can see, we're going to identify the ER candlesticks. They are here. We're going to come here, then we're going to draw our order block like this. After drawing our order block like this, now what we're going to do is that we're going to wait for price to go back to the order block, right? Like this. Then this is the move that we are waiting for, like this. So when price is going up like this, you need to wait for it. You need to wait for it. So once when it's going up like this, it has not yet touched the OB. It's going up. We need to have patience and wait for it to do what? To get to the OB. So when you are getting to the OB like this, right? When price is going like this, you are going to get the fib. When you get the fib, you are going to get the 100. You are going to put it here, exactly here. Then you're going to put the 100 where price made a 10, okay? Then after that, you are going to have it like this. Then now, because you need to know as a trader when you need to come out of the market, right? So what you need to do here is, for example, you want to know where price is going to end from, right? Is where we're going to go in like this. So we are predicting that price is going to reach on what? On 161. That's what we are predicting on, that price is going to reach on 161. Because you always need to put your TP at 161. So this is where your TP is going to be, on 161. On 161. Your TP is going to be on 161 here exactly. Then after that, if there's always a retest on 100 and there's always a retest on 61, but let's see what is going to happen. So price is going to hit straight to the OB. This is our OB. As you can see, it has hit our OB like this, right? We are coming down. So if we're like this at times, price, it always wants to hit here. You can enter a resell, a sell here, or you can enter a sell from the 78. Then it will go back to the what? It has to reach here. So let's see how it performed. As you can see, TP has been hit like this. So that's how we identify where price is going to do what? That's where we identify. So if you can see, for example, if you are trading in runs, this move up to here, this move, it's about this move is about 550 pips. 550 pips, for example, if you're in South Africa, 550 pips, 550 pips times 16. That's about 8,000 rands. 8,000 rands, that's about close to $400, is it? $500. $500. $500 roughly that side. So this move with the smallest lot size could have done what? Could have paid you 8,000. So there's no need for you to fail, guys. So now I want you to use this strategy and make money. And I'll keep on giving you the secrets to the market. Another strategy that I'm going to give you now, this one is the best. It's one of the best. This strategy is one of the best, the strategy that I use. But there's what we call the plugs of the banks and institution numbers. Then that one we're going to talk about it, because if we talk about it now, it can bring problems, right? Like with brokers. But this strategy is the best. I love you all, guys, and I know with this strategy you're going to make money. Shalom.
Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. Tomorrow I'ma get rich. And I'll be dropping the roof.